name is and we are here today at Dutch Bay Comedy on World Ocean Day. We did a cleanup with a team, absolutely amazing team. We went out into the ocean and we picked up all this garbage from the seabed, and it's just a decimal of the garbage that we saw there. And also, the World Environmental Day was on the 5th of June, and the theme for that was End Plastic Pollution. And it's a perfect combination of the two special days to really point out the amount of plastic pollution that is currently happening in Sri Lanka. And also, it is important to highlight that these special days does not mean we have to, just because it's an ocean day doesn't mean we have to, celebrate it and then forget it the next day. It's just a day to actually focus on a problem and continue to do something throughout the year, throughout your lifetime to contribute to the environment and connect with it better so that we can all live together in harmony.